So when it comes to growing your agency or growing your business of any sort, it all comes down to the information that you use to make decisions, okay? If you knew exactly how to make $1 million a year, you'd already be making $1 million a year, right? If I knew exactly how to make 100K per month, I'd be making 100K per month right now. The reason why I don't is because I don't have the information and I don't have the decision-making strategies to be able to actually get to that point yet. I'm working on it, but not there yet, okay? Now, what I want to explain is the last couple of weeks where I've been able to essentially crack the code and how to predictably do this every single time, whether you're in an agency, whether you own a coaching business, anything like that, okay? Now, chances are there are people in your exact same niche, in your exact same market, who are more successful than you, okay? Now, the biggest thing that's stopping you, like I mentioned, is the information that you do not know and the information that you don't even know that you don't even know, right? So there are problems that you have in your business that you know you have, you just don't know the solution to the problem, right? A lot of the times as well, when you're trying to grow an agency, especially if you have the same problem for a long time, there's often a problem that you don't even know exists and you don't know how to solve that problem either. So it's the unknown unknowns essentially. Now, when it comes to scaling fast, right? If you really want to grow quickly, you need to be able to solve those problems fast, right? And if you don't even know what they are, it becomes very, very difficult to solve them, right? Now, what I have done over the last year is I've spent about 30 something thousand dollars on masterminds, online education, communities, and what that's been able to do is put me in rooms with a lot of successful people, a lot of people making a lot more money than me. And recently, over the past 2 weeks, I've been talking with this guy who's making $100,000 a month, and we were talking about our businesses with each other, and it became very, very clear to me from what he was doing versus what I was doing that there was a problem in my business that I wasn't even considering, which was the quality of the leads that I was actually getting on my calendar, right? And I didn't even know that that was an issue. I thought I just needed to pump more volume, and then I would just take the leads that I had and then sell the ones that I could, right? But when I looked at what he was doing, he's literally where I want to be in like the next 6 months. It was very clear exactly what I needed to do, and that was an unknown unknown. Like, I didn't even know that that could be a problem. I didn't even know that that was an issue, right? But when I saw that he was getting 90% show-up rates, and when I saw that he had 30% close rate, and when he was showing me all these different statistics, I didn't even know that that was possible. I didn't even know that you could possibly get a 90% show-up rate. And when he was showing me all this different data, it became very clear to me that I was doing everything wrong. And when you have someone who's just like a few steps ahead of you, right, it becomes like it's very, very helpful to see into a business like that because of how much that can relate to you and because of how much that can like essentially like a darkness from my eyes is like removed, right? Now, how you can apply this and the way that I was actually able to get in contact with him without just like buying shit, right? Because you can obviously buy stuff to talk to people who are more successful. But what you can do this without having to do that, right? The reason why I was able to actually talk to this person without paying him directly, right, is because I have a skill set, okay? I'm pretty well known for actually like pretty much, if I say so myself, I'm probably the best outbound Instagram person in this entire market, okay? And that's like probably true, okay? Now, when it comes to that, I'm well known for that. And he actually reached out to me and he was like, hey, can you show me some of this Instagram stuff? And I was thinking about it and I'm like, do I want to give away my secrets? But I decided to. Jumped on a call with him, went over the Instagram system, and he showed me the way that he was doing cold emails, the way he was doing cold LinkedIn. And then that's where I learned all this information from. And it's just by providing value first without expecting anything else in return that I was able to actually like get in touch with someone like that, right? So if you have some kind of a skill set, if you have something to offer, even if you have money to pay them, right, it is going to be worth it because you probably don't understand exactly the roadmap that you need in order to go from XK per month where you are right now to YK per month where you want to be, okay? So that's the big takeaway that I had in the last 2 weeks, that it actually, like a lot of people, I know a lot of people are either super advocates for networking, a lot of people are like, they hate it and think it's completely useless. I don't think it's worth like going out of your way to meet like 20 different people. However, if you can find one person that again is those few steps ahead of you and who can just show you exactly, like, literally what their business looks like, it becomes very clear as to what you're doing wrong and how to do just exactly what they're doing in order to achieve the same results. Okay, so hopefully that helps. If you want the Instagram system or cold email I also work with, or anything like that, if you want help building an automated system, click the first link in the description. If not, I'll check you in the next one.